The Ticova Ergonomic Office Chair is designed to offer exceptional comfort with its fully adjustable features, allowing you to customize lumbar support, headrest, armrests, and seat height for a personalized seating experience. This office chair is equipped with a high-density foam seat that features a W-shaped and waterfall-edge design, providing ample support and reducing pressure on the hips and thighs. Unlike many standard chairs, the Ticova chair boasts 3D adjustable armrests with larger, softer padding, ensuring durability and a comfortable posture for extended periods. The chair's unique design includes a large curved foam headrest that offers superior neck and head support, while the high-quality mesh back keeps you cool and comfortable during long hours of sitting. For added peace of mind, the Ticova chair comes with a comprehensive warranty and clear assembly instructions, making it easy to set up and ensuring a worry-free experience. This high-back office chair has undergone rigorous testing, including the BIFMA test and a 1,136 kilogram static pressure test, highlighting its robust build quality.